Okay, today we're going to be making Bunjal duck curry. Here we have duck. This is about 2 pounds of duck. Here we have garlic. There's about 4 tablespoons of ground garlic. This is curry powder from Indi. This is jeera, 1 tablespoon. This is 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of masala. We have a tablespoon of salt for taste. We have 2 broadleaf thyme, 2 shallot, 2 sticks of shallot. We have a whole onion. We have one stem of celery. We have 1 cinnamon stick, and we have peppers to taste. The Mairi pepper will show inside of the curry when it's boiling, and this the long cayenne hot pepper, we're gonna grind it up to be a part of the paste for the duck curry. We'll grind the 2 broadleaf thymes, 1 whole pepper, and all of the celery with a mortar or pestle, or we're gonna blend it up. In this video, I'm gonna just blend it up. It's faster. Okay, now I'm gonna cut up the onion and the shallot. Okay, so this is the blend: celery, pepper, and broadleaf thyme. It's gonna be thrown into the curry powder with jeera, garlic, and masala. Give us a little mix. We're gonna put a little onion inside. We'll leave the rest of it to throw in when we cook in the curry. This will throw first inside the curry where we're using the vegetable oil. We're going to use about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, so the oil is hot. I'll just throw the curry paste inside now. What I'll do now is truncate it. You gotta keep turning it, don't make it burn. If it burn, it will taste very bitter. Let it cook for about 1.5 minutes. Chunky, 1.5 minutes. We'll throw some water in the curry paste plate. So just use some water of this curry and we'll break it up. Okay, we're gonna add the duck now inside. Duck is all drained and clean. We let that cook a little. This is the curry powder that I'm using. It's in the duck goat curry. You could use regular curry powder too, but this is the first time I'm cooking duck curry, but I'm trying this one. Okay, let's check this. Okay, it's giving off a lot of water. That's what you want. Just turn it a little. Some people would fresh this, but I'll just allow this to boil very long. It already looks so good. I'm gonna be adding some other ingredients right now. The rest of all of this shallot, or these like scallions, and the rest of the onion that I chopped earlier. Turn this up. Smells really good. I'll add some water, then allow it to cook a little longer. I'll add the cinnamon stick inside. It's a 2.5-inch cinnamon stick, and I'll put the pepper, my wee peppers. I have about 6 pieces here, and the salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of salt. Turn it up. Most of the skin from the duck I removed. I left some on to allow the fat to give flavor inside the food. Okay, so now that I throw all the ingredients now, I'll leave it to boil for about 20 minutes. But in between the 20 minutes, I'll keep checking it to turn it. Cover this now. I'm gonna check this, turn it. It's boiling so nice right now. It smells really good. Okay, so let's check this. A lot of the water's gone. I'll just turn it up now. Now we'll add more water to let it boil longer. Okay, so this is the final step. We just allow it to boil until most of this water is gone. I'm gonna leave a little gravy inside to eat with, since it's bunjal. And you allow it to, when it finishes cooking, allow it to settle, and it will be bunjal duck curry. Okay, you can eat this with dal puri, rice, with dal. Okay, let's cover this now on the same medium heat and I'll allow it to cook. Okay, let's check this now. It's boiling real good. It's already losing a lot of the water. We're allowing it to boil to get tender because we're not pressuring it in a pressure pot. Okay, we'll check this now. This was about 20 minutes boiling. See, a lot of the water has gone down. We'll let the water go down a little more. Because this amount of curry would not be bunjal curry. Would not be bunjal duck curry. Cover this. Let it boil down a little more. It looks like it'll have about 10 minutes more. Should be done. Yes. See, most of the water is gone. It's actually finished. Now we turn the stove off and allow it to settle. All of the water will be absorbed and gone. Here we have most of the pepper was burst. Here we have bunjal duck curry. I'm going to dish it out in a plate. This is bunjal duck curry. This is one of my recipes. I'll make another video with a different recipe of the bunjal duck curry. But there are several ways that you can make it to get different tastes. That's it. Goodbye.